Completion of multifunctional milling tool series, Corloy Alpha Mill. Alpha Mill is a multifunctional milling tool enabling the spot, profile, slant, and helical process. Alpha Mill's multifunctional insert can be used more widely with Corloy's own 3D chip breaker design. Corloy's exclusive 3D curved surface-shaped design materializes excellent performance and tool life in high feed, high cutting process with the improvement of perpendicularity and the reduction of cutting resistance. The alpha curve applied to insert makes cutting edge reinforcement excellent and reduces the cutting resistance. Alpha Mill insert, as the combination with multifunctional cutter, enables various processes with spot, profile, plane, and slant. It also expanded the process area with additional lineup of small, large insert and reduced the producing time of 1.3 times and more. The establishment of products with addition of modular types as well as existing shank, cutter lineup, Alpha Mill. Alpha Mill is a new milling tool with Corloy's own prominent quality. Completion of multifunctional milling tool series, Corloy Alpha Mill. It materializes the desired process more easily and conveniently.